The Justice Department files a lawsuit against the North Carolina State Board of Elections. The complaint says that thousands of registered voters are missing mandatory information to cast a ballot. The same issue was the center of the state Supreme Court race between Jefferson Griffin and Allison Riggs. News 13's Ed Diorio joins us now live in the studio to break this down for us. And Ed, what is this suit asking for from the Board of Elections?
Well, Tammy, it's demanding that the state BOE create a plan within the next 30 days to contact all of the registered voters in the state that don't have the required information on their profile. How many voters does that make up, you ask? Well, it's over 60,000 people.
When the Jefferson Griffin case came to its final conclusion that there was more that was going to happen.
When Jefferson Griffin appealed November's results for the last seat in the state Supreme Court, he argued that over 60,000 votes were invalid because those people didn't include either their last four of their social security number or their driver's license number. Either of those have been mandatory in the registration process since 2004. Now, the DOJ lawsuit is looking for the state BOE in 30 days to take action.
Essentially contact each person who is missing these two pieces of information on their voter registration file,
or else
those people would then get taken from the voter registration rolls. So that is the outcome that they're looking for.
NC State BOE Executive Director Sam Hayes provided a statement that reads in part, quote, "We are still reviewing the complaint, but the failure to collect the information required by HAVA has been well documented. Rest assured that I am committed to bringing North Carolina into compliance with federal law. The state board and county boards of elections will work diligently to ensure all voters are properly registered and have provided the necessary personal information to comply with state and federal laws."
I think a lot of those people that would fall on that list have already been reached out to.
Many of the voters in question either were reached out to statewide or were ready to verify that information because of the Riggs case that wrapped up just a few weeks ago.
There was a lot of back and forth on whether people were going to have to act quickly and cure their registration or whether they were going to have time.
Buncombe County Elections Director Corinne Duncan confirmed that the county has not reached out to any voters in question yet. However, people are encouraged to check their information with their local office themselves.
Any voter can walk into the Election Services Department and ask questions about their voter registration.
So if you want to take the initiative and reach out to your local Board of Elections office, you can. Buncombe County's Board of Elections office can be contacted by dialing 828-250-4200. That number there on your screen, or heading to their website. We have a link to that at WLOS.com. Now back to you.